Hey, if you want to insert a SIM card into your iPhone 17, first of all, on the left bottom corner, we can find this SIM slot. And I know that in the United States, you guys don't have that slot. It's available in the other regions. I'm from Europe and we can actually find this SIM slot. So we will have to input that tool inside this hole over here, like so, and gently press on it. Now remove that tool, grab your SIM slot with your two fingers, and now if you want to input the SIM card, you will have to do it with that cutout that is located here into this part, just like that. Now you will have to grab your iPhone back and you have to make sure that you are applying that like so with this cutout here. Now gently, slowly try to put that slot back and make sure that it's completely flat in your frame. So push it with your fingernail. And now after a few seconds, we should actually get our network. There we go. So we can just simply turn on everything. And by going to the settings, as you can see, we are in the mobile service settings. We can find our SIM card, our phone number, and everything is fine.